In this video, we discuss FHA loans and certain specifics you really need to know, why they're important to understand, and what it all means to you. All that and way more. Stay tuned. This is Vasilios, and welcome to another video. Hey YouTube, what's an FHA loan? An FHA loan is a mortgage issued by the Federal Housing Administration. It can allow for payments as low as 3.5% with a 580 FICO score. Loans issued by the FHA are helpful for buyers that don't have a lot of reserve funds saved up or have lower credit scores. The FHA insures mortgages that are issued by lenders such as banks, credit unions, and also non-banks. The insurance that they provide protects lenders in the event of a default. Now, these lenders must also be FHA approved. Not just any Joe Schmo lender can offer FHA loans. If your name is Joe, I'm sorry, it's just a saying. These loans can be used to purchase or refinance single-family homes, 2 to 4 family multi-unit homes, condos, and certain manufactured homes. There are FHA products that will include loans for new construction and or renovation home loans as well. What's the difference between an FHA loan and a conventional loan? Generally speaking, an FHA loan is easier to qualify for than a conventional type loan. The FHA will allow for lower credit scores than conventional, and in some cases a reduced monthly mortgage insurance payment. Now, FHA rules are more liberal regarding money gifts involving down payment money from family, employers, or charitable organizations. However, FHA loans may involve closing costs that are not required by conventional loans. According to a survey done by the National Association of Realtors, it was found that the FHA purchase loan can take an average of 61 days to close in 2021 versus 49 days to close with a conventional in the same year. So according to this, it will take just a little bit longer than a typical loan. There are quite a few types of FHA-based loans, some of which include a basic home mortgage and a rehab mortgage loan and construction loan, just to name a few. They all individually have different rules and regulations. To look up all of these rules and regulations, look up the Federal Housing Administration website here at www.hud.gov/program_offices/housing. Or you can just do the Google thing. Hey, if you want to learn more about the FHA rehab loan programs, check out this video up here on the card. Some important specifics to know when you're shopping for homes using an FHA loan is that there are limits on the mortgage amount. These all depend on the county in which you will purchase in. These limits also vary on if you were seeking to purchase a single family versus a multifamily home as well. The current FHA loan limits for Worcester County are $364,550 for a single family and all the way up to $701,000 for a multifamily. Hey, what's going on? My name is Vasilios. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here and you want to get the latest actionable tips from a local realtor that actually save you time, save you money, and result in a smooth real estate deal, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. And if you like the video, then, like the video. Now, back to it. One of the important things to note when you are purchasing FHA is that the FHA loans have built-in mortgage insurance into every loan. These mortgage insurance payments will be paid for the life of the loan, if at a 3.5% down payment. Let's go over some of the benefits of the FHA loans. You have lower minimum credit scores required, down payments as low as 3.5%, debt-to-income ratios as high as 50% allowed. Some disadvantages of these loans may be that the mortgage insurance payment may last a full term of the loan, with a down payment of less than 10%. The property must also meet strict health and safety standards. Let's dive into the minimum property standards to meet the FHA guidelines. Safety: the home should protect the health and safety of its occupants. Security: the home should protect the security of the property. Soundness of the property should not have any physical deficiencies or condition affecting its structural integrity. An FHA appraiser will look over the property condition during the appraisal. The FHA does not require repair of minor defects that include cosmetic, deferred maintenance, normal wear and tear, if these issues do not affect the security and safety or soundness of the home. Some examples of these issues that the FHA lists but are not limited to are the following: missing handrails, cracked or damaged exit doors that are otherwise operable, cracked window glass, defective paint services in homes constructed post 1978, Minor plumbing leaks such as dripping faucets, defective floor finishes, or coverings that have been worn through the finished soiled carpet, evidence of previously wood-destroying insects if there is no current evidence of unrepaired structural damage, rotten or worn out countertops, damaged plaster, poor workmanship, and or trip hazards. Now the following issues will require a remedy. These will include issues with electrical, heating, and certain issues with roofing. Water heaters must meet local building codes, contaminated soil, structural soundness, asbestos-related issues, working kitchen appliances, and issues with property accessibility. Again, this is just to name a few. So what's the workaround for a property that you fall in love with, but you have an FHA loan and it has one of these FHA disqualifiers and is in need of some repair? Normally, using a conventional loan, a buyer would ask the price to be lowered and you can just purchase the property and move in, and that's that. However, in this situation, you're going to ask the seller to fix these items before the home FHA appraiser comes through, and the price of the home would increase to meet the difference of these repairs. However, if the seller is a bank or it's an estate sale, chances are they're not willing to make any of these repairs and the deal unfortunately may be lost. But do your homework and seek the advice of a seasoned agent. Hey guys, if there's anything in the world that you want to talk about or have a question, reach out anytime. No obligation, really. 508-821-8835. It could be about the weather, cars, racing, real estate, whatever. Now, if you like this video, then check out these at the top of your screen. And if you need a guy like me, I have a guy like me's info in the description below. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.